so much sa katanungan mo yan. May kasang kami si Ren. Ayan. Hi Ren, kamusta ka? Ayan. Ano ang question mo kay Char?
Hi JT, good to see you again. Question ko is, despite of the bashers, ups and downs, what makes you pursue to continue your dreams?
You guys.
Wow!
Despite whatever the bashers have to say, I know you guys have my back. And over the past few months, ever since I've left the house, you guys have shown me that I can really trust you. That you guys got me. Not only you guys, but also the people around me. I have such an amazing team. Si Cap, my stylist, Kuya Ryan. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I do without Kuya Ryan. My dad and my mom always guiding me. Ate Camille, she was here ever since before TVB. And of course, my team, my makeup artist and my hairstylist, Ate Amy and Chino aren't here today, but they help me get through it. It's just the support of you guys. Dead Ma Sebastian.
Thank you so much. So that ends our Q&A portion for today. So alam ko you guys are gutom na. So ayan, bago tayo mag-push sa ating next portion or next set na